Ewa Agoyi. What is Ewa Agoyi without red oil? Ewa Agoyi is incomplete if it's being served without pressing. At times I wonder why people press it. Like you put a spoon of Ewa Agoyi in a plate, you go ahead to press it. But that's the fun of it. Okay, in this video I'll be showing you step by step on how I prepared this delicious Ewa Agoyi with yam. If you are in Lagos or in the western part of Nigeria, you will know that when Ewa Agoyi is being served, it's served with either boiled yam or fried plantain or cooked plantain or bread. So but in this video I'll be serving mine with yam, white boiled yam. Sit tight as I show you the process. It's quite easy. If you are just coming across this video for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you. Ewa Agoyi is simply beans. It's overcooked beans that is being cooked till it's very soft. Some people use blender to mash theirs, some use broom or whatever, but in this video I'm using my wooden spoon to mash mine. And I cooked my beans the previous day. I cooked it was very done. Then the next morning, because of this video, I wanted to share with you, so I went ahead to mash the quantity of the beans I'll be needing for this video. I mashed them till they are very soft and mixed, and I bought my yam separate. As you can see, I went ahead to blend my pepper. Some people can use normal blender, you can use your stone or whatever mix you use in blending your stuff. This pepper you are seeing is a normal red chilies. The dried one, I bought them very affordable in the market. I soaked them overnight, yes. And some people do use hot water to soften their pepper, but I use ordinary hot water to soak mine. You can use any one you prefer, either hot or cold water to soak overnight. It's up to you. So the aim is just to make the pepper to be soft and easy to blend. So I went ahead to check my yam on interval to see if they are soft. It's better when they're very, very soft. Yeah, it's better if the yam is soft, it's sweeter. I mean, the Ewa Agoyi won't be complete without yam. Let's proceed to making the sauce. The sauce is basically pepper, onion, seasoning and salt. Nothing much, nothing less. So I allowed my pot to get dried and hot. I proceed to adding red oil. You cannot do without red oil in Ewa Agoyi sauce. Red oil gets a little bit hot. You don't need to bleach it. Please don't bleach your red oil, because that's the main ingredient. We are not trying to get this perfect taste of other sauces. No, this is Ewa Agoyi sauce we are talking about. So I added my onions, my blended pepper, and then I went ahead to add my seasoning and salt. Hula! The Ewa Agoyi sauce is ready. Nothing much, nothing less. So don't think it's a very difficult food to prepare. No, this is ready. You continue to stir until it gets dried. The water in it is dried. This is me adding the salt. Yeah.